The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's 200 megapixels camera will apparently be capable of producing images that will not fill up the device's storage within a few hundred shots. With February almost here, it's time to turn our attention to Samsung. The tech company is getting ready for its next Unpacked event on February 1, and the Galaxy S23 lineup is expected to be the star of the show. The cameras look like they might be one of the key areas of focus for the new series. That's likely to be especially true for the Ultra model, which is usually where Samsung's biggest camera innovations can be found. The leaker Ice Universe has offered up an interesting Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra leak in regard to the size of the images that will be produced by the smartphone's 200 megapixels camera. The tipster offered a couple of image file details that were supposedly taken from a Galaxy S23 Ultra and involved snapshots of what he calls a daily scene. One of the screenshots reveals a 37.06 megabytes file size, while the other is a somewhat remarkable 20.98 megabytes. Both images enjoyed a huge resolution of 12,240 by 16,320. Typical smartphone snapshots taken with a 12 megapixels camera might take up anywhere between 3 and 9 megabytes of space, so understandably the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 200 megapixels camera requires much more storage space for each image file. However, when compared to something like the Xiaomi 12T Pro, it is clear to see that Samsung has been busy with compressing the S23 Ultra's image file sizes so that buyers will get the most out of the storage space. The phone from the Chinese OEM reportedly produced an average image file size of 55 megabytes with its 200 megapixel sensor, which is considerably larger than those of the S23 Ultra shared by Ice Universe. While there are some concerns that greater compression might equal loss of details and reduced image quality, the photo file sizes will please those eyeing up the entry-level Galaxy S23 Ultra. It is believed there is a 1 terabyte variant of the S23 Ultra, but at a rumored price of almost $1,500, there will be many who would rather spend around $1,250 for the 256 gigs model. This less expensive Samsung flagship will still have the capability to store thousands of condensed images and allow shutterbugs a chance to get to grips with the much-heralded 200 megapixels headed camera system. I'm still not sure chasing higher and higher camera sensor resolutions is what's best for Samsung's photography though. Samsung would be better off focusing on its camera software than changing up the hardware. That said, I'm definitely glad that Samsung's making using its supersized photos less of a burden on users' built-in storage, at least according to this rumor. With the next Galaxy Unpacked event taking place on February 1, it's all but confirmed that the Galaxy S23 series will be debuting on that day. We expect the Galaxy S23 Ultra and its cameras to steal the show, but we're looking forward to seeing if the rumors about the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and revised design for the base and Plus models turn out to be true too. So, what are your thoughts on these compressed 200 megapixels images file size? Will it be able to hold the exact quality as original 200 megapixels file size? Let us know your valuable thoughts in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed the video, then don't forget drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more Galaxy news. See you for the next time. Peace out.